everybody, I'm Theodora, but you can call me Teddy. I'm a dental hygienist and a dental therapist from the United Kingdom, and in the last few years I've been the clinical manager of an international project called Prevention 1 by Curaden AG. It's a real pleasure and honour to be able to be here at this very special conference with you all. I cannot wait to discuss, create, engage and interact with you all, because together we can create profitable prevention packages. So I want to be taking a look at how we can do this, how we can offer such services in which the patient can feel and see the value in prevention. We're going to be taking a look at oral hygiene aids, how to communicate them effectively, the different techniques, communication, behaviour change, and in particular, how behaviour change tools can support us in supporting our patients. So I can't wait to see you all there, and together let's create prevention focused packages that we can all profit from for our new future.